Why do Americans pay 2 to 10 times more for the same medicine made in the same factories? A month's supply of insulin costs $6 in Canada and $98 in the US. Most of our medications are made in India, but American law makes it illegal to buy them unless Big Pharma says so. Why is it illegal to buy safe, cheaper medicine overseas? Because drug companies write the laws, not the people. This is healthcare in America, a golden cage of corporate profit where the sick are left behind. The Global Prescription Drug Access Act gives Americans the freedom to buy safe, affordable medications from countries we trust. This act could cut your prescription drug costs by up to 60%. Big Pharma will fight this with everything they got unless we unite to fight harder. If 10 million of us stand up, we win. This is your moment. Don't just get angry, get organized. Sign up now at 99percenters.org because no one should go broke just to stay alive.